I'm going to do a problem that involves plotting points, rotating a triangle using a center of rotation that's on the triangle, and determining the coordinates of the vertices of the image triangle. So first I'm going to plot these 3 points on the coordinate grid, and then I'm going to connect the points to form triangle ABC. So point A has an x-coordinate of -6 and a y-coordinate of -6. So from the origin, I'm going to go to -6 on the x-axis and down 6. Point B has an x-coordinate of 1 and a y-coordinate of -4. So from the origin, I'm going to go to 1 on the x-axis and down 4. Point C has an x-coordinate of -1 and a y-coordinate of -2. So from the origin, I'm going to go to -1 on the x-axis and down 2. I'm going to join those 3 points to form triangle ABC. So there's triangle ABC. Now I'm going to do a rotation. I'm going to use B, which is right here, as the center of rotation. And I'm going to rotate triangle ABC 90 degrees clockwise to form triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. I'm going to use tracing paper. So on the tracing paper, I'm going to mark where points A, B, and C are. Now remember, we're using B as the center of rotation. A lot of the times we use the origin in problems, but in this case I'm actually going to rotate around a point that's on the triangle. Now, I'm just going to mark a little reference arrow here. Keep your eye on the reference arrow. I'm going to rotate the tracing paper 90 degrees clockwise, which would be the same as a quarter of a full turn of the tracing paper. Now I need to locate where the image points are. So A prime is going to be underneath A. B prime is going to, of course, coincide with B, because that was the center of rotation. That particular point didn't move. So that point is also B primed. C prime is going to be under C on the tracing paper. Now I'm going to join those 3 points. And thus we have now triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. Now I need to determine the coordinates of the vertices of triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. So there's A prime. To get to it from the origin, I'd have to go to -1 on the x-axis and up 3. So A prime has coordinates -1 and 3. B prime, of course, as we said, coincides with point B. We already know that B is at 1 and -4, but certainly we can check from the origin To get to B prime, I'd have to go over to 1 on the x-axis and down 4. So B prime again has coordinates 1 and minus 4. To get to C prime from the origin, I'd have to go over to 3 on the x-axis and down 2. So C prime has coordinates 3 and minus 2.